Hey everyone, welcome to Upper Manhattan, where we recently finished our newest renovation project. We redid the bathroom and the kitchen, sanded the floor, but let Monica explain you the details.
Yes, let's go.
For this renovation, the client wanted to maintain a vintage style in the apartment, mixing light and dark colors in contrast with brass hardware finishes.
To add a touch of sophistication and elegance in the kitchen, we installed checkerboard flooring mixing the black Hone marble and the Carrara Hone marble tile. We installed this classic-style shaker cream cabinetry, a black quartz countertop, and green subway tiles. To respect the vintage look, we also installed a ceramic farmhouse sink. The faucet and the hardwares are in champagne bronze color. We installed the cafe appliances that gives a luxury touch to the kitchen, in white and brass finish. In the bathroom, we used two different tiles. We selected a white polished porcelain hexagon mosaic tile, 1 inch wide, to brighten up the space. For the wall, we installed black ceramic subway tiles with satin finish. This tile has a subtle variance and handmade look that offers a unique look of the space. We stayed consistent throughout the bathroom with champagne bronze finishes and hardware. The vanity is made from solid fir in a light brown finish with scoring that's reminiscent of a rustic beach house. The beautiful sconce light is designed to evoke spring blooms on a branch, and it adds a touch of extravagance.
An interesting feature of the space is this handcrafted Victorian-style toilet paper holder that was part of our client's collection of antique hardware. I hope you enjoyed this tour as much as we did bringing this project to life. Start a new chapter with us.